Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. This home at 13 Varney Avenue is vinyl sided, metal roof, and totally done over on the inside. You're also on the edge of town, so you can hop on your snow sled or four-wheeler and hit the trails. New insulated entry and back door, stainless steel appliances that have never been used. The kitchen is 16 by 10. These are new laminate floors. Your dining room, 10 by 10. New vinyl tilt-in windows are insulated. This one heats easy. 3 windows in your living room. Everything is painted light colors with new sheetrock. Fan lights too. Here's your bathroom. Pretty handy to have your laundry on the first floor level in your bathroom, not down in the basement. New doors, new levers. This one sits on a full cement basement with an outside hatch. It's oil hot air heated. Yes, there is a garage. No, there's not much traffic. Let's trot upstairs. The biggest bedroom, it's on the back. There's 2 windows. That's a southern exposure. Trees behind you. This is an edge of town location. Big closet, and they're just getting ready to do the flooring up here. 2 more bedrooms in the front of the home. Bedroom number 2. Yep, they all have closets. Good layout. Out of one, right into the other. This second floor wasn't finished, but it is now. Want to go down in the basement? See the cellar? Good, sturdy steps. Just need a side rail. There's your hatch to the outside. The oil line is sleeved. There's a fairly modern oil hot air furnace. See the PEX tubing? The electric water heater. You're on town water, town sewage. Circuit breaker, 100 amp wiring. This one heats easy. Need some help with bank financing? Definitely local's the way to go. Here's the list of who's here, who you should call. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks for watching the Maine Real Estate channel. Look down below in the Show More area. There's the price, the links to how to get hold of us, and how you can ask us more questions. Please make comments. It helps everybody that's wondering the same thing.